Instructional materials, also known as teaching or learning materials or TLM, are any packet of materials that a teacher might utilize in teaching and learning scenarios to help achieve the desired learning objectives. Content or information communicated in a course is known as instructional materials. Lectures, readings, textbooks, multimedia components, and other course resources fall under this category. Presenting our proposed instructional materials in algebra, guided by Dale's Cone of Experience in three-tiered model.
This is a group work of Saidali P. Gandawali, Faisal Aga El Ayunan, Habib M. Atong, Majid Data Hajinor, Amira Rangan, Rhea Linyap, and Bayhani Upam.
The subject matter is sequences, and the objectives of the lesson are, at the end of the lesson, the student should be able to describe a sequence, differentiate arithmetic sequence in Fibonacci sequence, and solve arithmetic sequence in Fibonacci sequence problems. In the beginning of the lesson, the teacher will ask the students to perform activity. This activity is called cup stacking. Directions: take cups and make them stack into a pyramid shape with 5 levels. 5 cups on the bottom, then 4 cups, then 3 cups, and so on in arithmetic sequence. Here is the problem. What is the total number of cups being stacked? With this activity, the learners will understand the concept of sequences. In Dale's Cone of Experience, this is the stage called direct purposeful experience. It is also under the inactive stage of three-tiered model. After this activity, the teacher will discuss how those stackings of glass are related to sequence. After the discussion, the teacher will ask the learners to have study trip or field trip. The teacher will ask the entire section to go to Crazy Daisy's flowers garden and observe the sequences in the flowers. With this activity, the learners will enjoy learning sequences through observing the natural sequences in the flowers. This stage is called study trips in Dale's Cone of Experience and is under the inactive stage of three-tiered model. After this, a teacher will use projector to present 2 videos. The first video is all about the introduction to arithmetic sequence, and the second one is all about introduction to Fibonacci sequence. After watching the videos, the teacher will ask the learners to write an essay which differentiating arithmetic in Fibonacci sequence. In the next meeting, the teacher will bring an actual representation of flower and explain that the sequence mostly occurs in most of the biological structures in forms of life. For example, rose, lilies, daisies, buttercups are all Fibonacci flowers. The petals on the flower are one of the easiest ways to observe the Fibonacci sequence. This is called the exhibits in Dale's Cone of Experience, wherein a teacher will bring an actual or 3D representation of something that is related to the topic. In the next meeting, a teacher will use PowerPoint presentation with the use of projector to present the following images and explain arithmetic sequence with the use of these pictures or diagrams. The teacher will also present the following pictures or diagrams related to Fibonacci sequence. These stages are under iconic stage of three-tiered model and can be found in the middle stages in the Dale's Cone of Experience. In the next meeting, a teacher will distribute the copy of this printed material and have discussion with the learners. This stage is the more abstract and is called symbolic in three-tiered model.